Hi, good morning, everybody. Uh, in today's myself, Ram Bankar. I am from Adarsh Nagar Municipal English School. Today, we are going to learn mathematics subject. In this, we are going to learn a very good and best lesson, that is algebraic expression. We already learned in 6th standard. Okay. In this class, we will going to know thoroughly what is algebraic expression, just like our mathematical operations, plus, minus, subtraction, multiplication, division. In the same way, we will operate these operations in the algebraic expressions also. Okay, we will start from the next slide. Okay, my dear students, our learning outcomes in today's lesson, you will come to know the terms, what is terms. Second, what are like and unlike terms. Third, types of algebraic expressions. Types. Fourth one, addition of algebraic expression. And the last one is subtraction of algebraic expression. In this lesson, we are going to know these 5 learning outcomes. Okay. We are looking at the next slide. Okay, look at the screen, students. You will see there are 2 types of fruits given on the screen. Okay, one picture is of apple and the second one is of mango. This fruit, I think everybody likes it. How many apples are there? 1, 2. 2 apples are there. And the mangoes are 3 mangoes are given. 1, 2, and 3 mangoes. Okay, look at the pictures below. Okay, below the pictures. There are given x, x plus x. What is x? X is denoted for apple. How many apples? 2 apples. So, x and x, 2x. Okay. Then plus y plus y plus y. Okay. Y, this alphabet is denoted for mango. So, how many mangoes are there? 3 mangoes. So, written in this equation also 3 y's, y plus y plus y is equal to, we can say, or we can write 2x. It means 2 apples. Instead of apple, we have written x. Okay, 2x plus 3y. This is called the algebraic expression. Instead of things, we have write the alphabets. Okay, what we call the alphabet in mathematical language, we will see from the next slide. Look at the tables on the screen, which is very important. Everybody, while learning or while doing, while solving the algebraic expressions, you have to know these 3 things which are very important. Term. First, look at the blue box. Term. First column is of term, second column is of coefficient, and third one is of variables. Term. Okay. Look at terms. In the first row of term, 11mn. In the 11mn, coefficient is 11 and variables are m and n are variables. Look at the second term in the second row, minus 9x square y cube. In this, you will notice coefficient is minus 9 and variables are x, y are variables. In the third row, 5 upon x p. This is the rational number, you know, 5 upon x fraction. So 5 5 upon 6 is the coefficient. And variable is P. In the last term, you will notice only one alphabet is there, A. So, how many A's are there? One A is there. Everybody knows how many A? One A is there. So, no need to write one A. So, coefficient of A is 1. Okay. Variable is A. Okay. In this box, you will notice coefficient means numbers. Okay. Coefficient means numbers. And variables means alphabets. Understood it, everybody? Variables means alphabets and coefficient means numbers. And term is 11m1 9x square y cube 5x upon p or a. Okay. Term should be a mixing of variable and coefficient. Term should be a number. Term should be an alphabet also. Okay. Now, students, it's for you. The next table is for you to solve it. Now you will give me the answer, everybody. Okay. Term is in the black box. You will see 9x. So coefficient is?
Coefficient is 9.
And variable is?
X.
Very good. Nice answer. Okay. In the second row, you will notice 100xz. In this coefficient, coefficient
Coefficient is 100.
Yes, and variable is? Variable?
XZ.
XZ, okay. And in the last term,
Coefficient is
2 by 3.
Yes, and variables?
AB.
8 square
Okay,
2.
very good.
B.
Nice answer. Okay, we will move towards the next slide. Okay, students, as it is the blue box given to know example, look at this example. In the algebraic expression, look at the right corner of the page. In the algebraic expression, 4x square minus 2y plus 5 upon x, 5 upon 6, xz. Okay, this is the algebraic expression. Okay. There are how many terms? Before minus sign, one term, 4x square. After minus and between two signs, minus and plus, 2y is the term. And last term is 5 upon 6 xz. There are three terms. So in this, you will see 4x square is the first term. In this, 4 is the coefficient in it. Look at the second. Minus 2y is the second term with the coefficient 2. 5 upon x third is the third term, and 5 upon 6 is the coefficient in it. Okay, look at the blue box at the bottom of this page. Remember the algebraic expression 15 minus x. This is the example given. Okay, 15 minus x has two terms. The first term is 15 is a number. I already told you, students. Number also a term. Okay. The first term 15 is a number, and the second term is minus x. Here is the coefficient of the variable x is minus 1. Dear students, I have to tell you that if only one variable is given, no need to write 1x or 1a or 1b. Okay. Everybody should consider one number is there. Okay. It means in the 15 minus x, 1x is there. So coefficient of x is minus 1. Look at the second line. Terms which have the same variable with the same power are called like terms. This is the new concept for you. Terms which have the same variables with the same power are called like terms. On the next slide, we will see the what is like term and what is unlike term. Okay, look at this question. Now you have to answer. Okay, it's for you. Which of the following is called a term? This is the question. Options are 4 given.
Option number 2.
1. Option, listen. First listen. Following is the term. Which of the following is called a term? First option is x. Second is 3. And third option is 10y square. And the last one is all the above are terms. So what is the answer? Anybody?
Option number 3.
Another one? Student? Yes, I got the answer. Option number?
Option number three.
Yes. Okay,
10y
okay. Student,
square
give me answer. Okay, wait. Option number 4 is the right answer. All the above are called terms. All the above are all terms. Only first, look at the first option, x. X is a variable which having coefficient of 1. This is also a term. I already told you, term means what? Any number, any variable, or mixing of variable plus number. This is also called a term. Okay. It means that option number 4, all the above are terms. Minus x also term, 3 also term, 10y square also a term. Okay. It means option number 4 is the correct answer. All the above are terms. Yes. Take next slide. Dear students, we will come to know by this slide like term and unlike term. Look at the left side column, like terms. 2x, 5x, minus 2 upon 3x. What you notice in these 3 terms, you will come to know only same variables are given. Variable means alphabet. Same alphabet is given. X, X, and X. So it is called like term. Okay. This is the first rule, like terms. Why it is like term? Because same variables are given. And the second rule is given at the bottom of like term. Second rule is, look at the second. Minus 5x square y. And the second term is 6 upon 7 y x square. In these 2 terms, you will notice x square y and x square y variables are same, and as well as powers also same. Square is given. Same square. X square also, and the second term also x square. So these are the like terms. In this, you understood same variables and same powers. Like terms are called like terms. Look at the right side column, unlike terms. Unlike terms means different variables. Okay, look at the first example, 7xy, 9y square, minus 2xy. There, in this you will see in the first term xy is, in the second term y square is there, and in the third term x, y is there. Different variables given. So it is unlike term. Okay, look at the second rule in the unlike term. What is the second rule? You will see variables are same. 8 mn, 8 mn, m square n square, and third is 8 m cube and n. In these 3 terms, mn is a variable same, but indices are different. Okay, so powers are different, then it is unlike term. Okay, so you will understood like terms and unlike terms. Okay, now students, we will going to learn what are types of algebraic expressions. There are 4 types of algebraic expressions, my dear students. You will see on this slide monomials, binomials, trinomials, and polynomials. In the monomial, you will see at the bottom only one term is in the monomial. Only one term. Look at the first example given of monomial, 4x, second 5xm, and last one is -7. Only one term is given. In the binomial, look at the second column. You will see binomial. There are two terms. 2x minus 3y, 2l plus 2b. Third one is 3mn minus 5m square n. It means two terms are given in the all examples. So it is called the binomials. Bi means two. Binomials having two terms. Look at the trinomials. Tri means three. There are three terms given in the trinomials. Okay. Look at the first example of trinomial. A plus B plus C. Three terms given. Second example. X square minus 5x plus 6. Three terms are given. Look at the third example. 8a cube minus 5a square b plus c. How many terms are there? Yes, three terms are there. So it is trinomial. Look at the last type of algebraic equation. Algebraic expression, polynomials. Poly means multiple. Multiple terms are given in the polynomials. Multiple means more than three terms. More than three, how much? 4 terms, 5 terms, 6 terms, 7 terms, 8 terms, 9 terms sometimes. So these algebraic expressions are called polynomials. Look at the first example, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab minus b cube. How many terms are there? 4 terms are there. Look at the second example. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are given. So it is polynomial. Look at the last example of polynomials. 5x cube minus 1 upon 2x plus 8x cube minus 5. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are given. So it is polynomial. Okay. It means you will understood by this slide. Monomial has only one term, binomial has two terms, trinomial has three terms, and polynomial has more than three terms. Okay, these are the 4 types of algebraic expression. By this with the help of these expression, we will do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division also. Okay, look at the next slide. This is the practice set 32, dear students. You already know. Classify the following algebraic expressions as monomial, binomials, trinomials, or polynomials. We have to do classification. How many examples given of algebraic expressions? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 examples given. Okay. We have to classify them into the types. Okay. Look at the answer. It is known that expressions with. Okay, look at there are 4 points given. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the answer section. One term is called monomial. You will already know. Second term, expressions with two terms are called binomials. Third, expressions with 3 terms are called trinomials. And the last one is expression more than 3 terms are called polynomials. So look at the question number 1, that is 7x. 7x is a monomial which having the one term only. Okay, 7x is a one term. Look at the second question, 5y minus 7z. How many terms are there? 2 terms. So it is binomial. Look at the third example, 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11 is equal to trinomial. Look at the fourth one. There are 4 terms are there. It means more than 3. If more than 3, we will see we will say it is polynomial. Yes, look at the fifth one, 5m minus 3. 5m is one term and the second is minus 3. So it is, there are two terms. So it is binomial. Look at the sixth one. In the sixth one, there is a, only one term is given. Okay, in this way we can solve, we can classify monomials, binomials, trinomials. Okay. Look at the seventh one also, there is only one number is given. Number is also a term. So it is 4 is a monomial. Okay, and the last one is 8 number, 3y square minus 7y plus 5. There are three terms. So it is trinomial. Okay, in this way we can solve practice set 32, which is very simple to solve. So students, we are going to do operations on these algebraic expressions. Look at the slide, addition of monomials. Example is given, 3 gavas plus 4 gavas. Gavas means Peru. 3 gavas plus 4 gavas. Okay. 3 plus 4 is given and gavas is already written outside the bracket. So is equal to 7 gavas are there. Okay. The same example given written in the form of algebraic expression. Okay. Look at the algebraic expression written on this gavas. 3x. First term 3x. X is written instead of gavas. Okay. Gavas. 3x plus 4x. So these are the like terms. We will come to know why, because like terms 3x plus 4x, because the same variable is given. Okay, same variable is given, xx. 3x plus 4x, that is in bracket written 3 plus 4 into x is equal to 7x. It means 7 gavas are there. Look at the purple line. Like terms are added as we would add up things of the same. Okay, look at the next slide. Addition of binomial expressions. There are two ways to solve addition, horizontal arrangement and vertical arrangement. Look at the example given, 2x plus 4y plus 3x plus 2y. This is the question to solve. Do addition now. Okay. Question you will understand how to read. 2x plus 4y is the first, and the second one is add 3x plus 2y. Okay. First, there are two steps given. In the first step, you have to remove the brackets. 2x plus 3x plus 4y plus 2y. Why we did in the first step? We put together like terms, xx. Okay, 2x and 3x we put together, and the next is 4y plus 2y. Okay, now we can do addition. 2x plus 3x. If they are like terms, we can add it, their numerals, and write down the variable as it is. 2 plus 3, 5x, plus 4 plus 2, 6y. So 5x plus 6y is the answer. Look at the vertical arrangement. As like we will solve all mathematical operations, addition. In the same way, we can solve vertical arrangement also, algebraic expression. The first expression is 2x plus 4y. Second expression is 3x plus 2y. Now add it. 4 plus 2, 6y. 2 plus 3 5x. Put the sign in between, plus 5x plus 6y is the answer. Look at the next example. Okay, this question is for you, dear student. Now you have to answer me. Okay, raise your hand. What are like terms? What are like terms? Who will give me the answer? Yes. First option is terms having same coefficient, terms having same variables. What are like terms? Okay, answer.
Sir, second point.
Same variable.
Yes, very good. Second option is correct. In this, like terms means which having same variables. It means alphabet same. These terms are called like terms. Example is 3y plus 5y. Okay, example also we will understood. Look at the next slide. Okay, this is the next example is given. To add like terms, we add their coefficients. Okay, while doing addition, dear student, you have to notice, or you have to consider in your mind, we add their coefficients and write the variable after their sum. Okay, write the variable as it is after their sum. Their sum means what? Sum of coefficients, and coefficients are numbers. We already know it. Coefficient means number. We have to addition of numbers only. Okay, look at the example given. 9x square y square minus 7xy. This is the first algebraic expression. After semicolon, there is a second algebraic expression. 3x square y square plus 4xy. This is the second expression. Now we have to do addition, horizontal arrangement and vertical arrangement. Okay, look at the first term. Look at the first arrangement, the horizontal arrangement. Horizontal means look at the left side. Okay, horizontal arrangement is given. What we did in the first step? In the first step, we remove the bracket and like terms we put together. What like terms? X square y square. In the second expression, 3x square y square. Okay. In the first step, remove the bracket. Look at the second step. We put together like terms. Okay, in the bracket, 9x square y square plus 3x square y square. Okay, plus in bracket, we as it is written minus 7xy, and the like term of 7xy is in the second expression, that is 4xy plus 4xy. So in the next step, we add the coefficients, okay, and return variables as it is. Look at the first bracket, 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. So 12 coefficient is given, and we have written variables same as it is. Don't be confused here. Write variables as it is. X square. If the variables are like or same, written as it is and add only coefficients. 12x square y square minus. Why there is a minus sign? Because plus out of the bracket there is a plus, and in the bracket there is minus 7xy. So plus and minus, negative and positive numbers, we will get the answer negative. Okay, minus. So 7 minus 4, 3xy is the answer. Okay, in this way we have written 12x square y square minus 3xy. In the vertical arrangement also, first expression written on the upper side, and the down side we have written the second expression, and the answer is given 7 minus 4, 3xy, minus symbol is there, and coefficients addition 9 plus 3, 12x square y square, and the variables are written as it is. Okay, look at the bottom line. take care. Okay, what we take care while doing addition? In 3x plus 7y, the two terms are not like terms. Okay, look at the example given. This is another example. Just consider and look, give attention in this expression 3x plus 7y. 3x is the different term, 7y is the different term. Okay, this is the algebraic expression. In this, you will see x and y are unlike terms, unlike. Hence, their sum can only be written as, sum कैसा रहेगा 3x plus 7y, or we can write it is 7y plus 3x. Look at the next slide. Practice set 33. Okay, there are 6 questions are given. Now we will solve it from the next slide. Practice set 33. Okay, look at this first example. This is very example, binomial plus binomial. Okay, in the first expression 9p plus 16q, semicolon, 13p plus 2q. Okay, binomials plus binomial. Is it very simple? Look at the answer. Okay, first, in the first step, we remove brackets. Okay, in the second step, we add or we put together the like terms, pp terms, 9p plus 13p in the first bracket plus in the second bracket 16q plus 2q, like terms, qq are like terms. So we have written in put together, we have written togetherly. How much 9 plus 13? 22p. Okay, plus 16 plus 2, 18, 18q. So 22p plus 18q is the answer of first question. Look at the second question. How many? Okay, this is the addition of trinomials. Okay, the first algebraic sum is 2. Algebraic expression is 2a plus 6b plus 8c, first expression. Now we have to add it in the second expression, 16a plus 13c plus 18b. Okay, so in the first step, we have to remove the brackets only. Okay, after removing the bracket, we put together the like terms. What are the like terms? AA terms put together, BB terms put together, and the last one is CC variable terms put togetherly in their brackets. Okay, look at the first bracket, which is the second step, 2a plus 16a again plus 6b plus 18b plus 8c plus 13c. We put together the like terms. Okay, now we have to add it. Okay, 16 plus 2, 18a, 6b plus 18b, 24b, and in the last bracket 8 plus 13, 21 is there. 21 is the coefficient and c as it is variable. Okay, in this way we got the answer of the second question is 18a plus 24b plus 21c. Look at the next question. Yes, this is the addition of binomials. Okay, but in this we will see in this powers are same. Okay, in the first expression 13x square minus 12y square, powers are same, x square y square. In the second algebraic expression we will see powers also same. It means like terms we will easily find out. Okay, x square y square y square. Okay, now do addition. In the first step is equal to, in the first step we will remove the brackets as it is. Okay, look at the second step, 13 we will put together the like terms, as it is our second step is to put together the like terms in a bracket. 13x square plus 6x square plus in the second bracket minus 12y square. As it is, we have written 12y square minus 8y square. Okay. Now operate this equation. 13 plus 6, how much? 19. So we have written as it is x square. Variable, write as it is. Plus, okay, in the look at the second bracket. This is very important, dear students. Minus 12y square minus 8y square. Now what we have to do here? Minus or plus? Of course, we have to do plus is there. Why? Because negative number and negative number, we already learned this type of sum in the integer lesson. We already learned this rule. Minus minus plus. If same signs are there, then the plus. Okay, we have to do plus and put the sign of big number. So 12 minus 12 plus minus 8. So minus minus plus. 12 plus 8, 20 is there. And why we have written minus is there? Because the big number is 12. So minus is given 12y, so 20y square. So 19x square plus minus 20y square is the answer. Look at the next slide. Okay, this is also look at 17a square b square plus 16c. First algebraic expression, we have to add it. Second expression, what is the second expression after semicolon? 28c minus 28a square b square. This is the second algebraic expression. We have to do addition now. Look at the first step. After question, look at the first step. There are 3 steps given in after is equal to. Okay. In the first step, we remove the bracket as it is. Okay. 17a square b square plus 16c plus 28c minus 28a square b square. This is the first step. In the second step, we have put together the like terms. Okay. Like terms. Okay. A square b square. In the second expression also a square b square. So we put together both the terms. 17a square b square minus, we have taken from the second expression, minus 28 a square b square. We have do bracket, then plus, take like terms, another like terms. What is another like term? In the first expression 16c, in the second expression 28c. 16c plus 28c. Look at the answer now. Okay, we have to operate now this equation. 17 plus 28, 17 minus 28. Now what we have to do here? Minus, of course. 17 minus 28. What is the answer? Minus 11. Okay, write as it is. Variables a square minus b square. Minus 11 is the answer in the first term. Look at the second bracket. 16 plus 28. How much? Plus is there. So 44. 16 plus 28. 44c. The answer is 11 a square b square plus 44c. Look at the next slide. Okay, the last question of this practice set 33. First, okay, look at the first algebraic expression, that is trinomial. Look at the second expression, that is binomial. Now we have to add trinomial in binomial. Okay, the expression. Okay, look at the first step. While solving this, write or remove the bracket. Minus 3y square plus, look at the first step, minus 3y square plus 10y minus 16 plus 7y square plus 8. In the second step, we have put together the like terms. minus 3y square plus 7y square. Y square are like terms, so we have put together in a bracket, plus 10y. 10y. There is no like term to 10y in the second algebraic expression. 7y square plus 8 में कोई भी like term नहीं है 10y के लिए. So take next like term plus in the bracket minus 16 plus 8. These are like terms. Only numbers are there, so we can put together it. Okay, minus 16 plus 8. Look at the next step. Second last, 4y square is the answer of 3 minus 3 plus 7. What we have to do here? Minus is there. Okay. Why? Because negative number and plus number, positive number, there will be negative answer. Negative. Okay. And put the sign of positive number. Put the sign of big number. Okay. Minus 3 and plus 7. Answer is 4y square plus 10y as right as it is. And the last bracket minus 16 plus 8. What is the answer? Minus 16 plus 8. Minus 8 is the answer. Taken the sign of big number, that is 16. Our answer is 4y square plus 10y minus 8. Okay. Look at the next slide. Now students, look at the, we have done addition. Our next topic is subtraction. Okay, in this. Subtraction. As we do addition, in the same way we have to do subtraction also. Okay, only signs are different. We have learned to subtract one integer from another is to add its opposite integer to the other. Okay, we shall use the same rule for subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay, example given 18 minus 7. Okay, 18 plus in bracket minus 7, the answer is 11 as it is. Example, in the algebraic expression you will see 9x minus 4x. In the bracket 9 plus in bracket again minus 4 is given, bracket close, big bracket x. Okay, the 9x minus 4x, that is the answer is 5x. Okay, look at the example given. Subtract the second expression from the first. 16x plus 23y plus 12z. This is the trinomial. Yes. The second also a trinomial. Second algebraic expression 9x minus 27y plus 14z. This is also a trinomial. We have to subtract trinomial from trinomial. Okay. Horizontal arrangement and vertical arrangement. Both arrangements are given. Okay. Look at the first step. We have to remove the bracket 16x plus 23y plus 12z minus 9x plus 27y. Why there is a plus 27y? Because before bracket there is a minus sign and in the bracket minus 27 is there. So minus become positive, negative positive. So minus plus 27y and minus 14z. Why minus 14z? Because positive 14 and before bracket there is a minus sign. So minus plus minus 14z. Okay. Look at the second step. We have to put together in a bracket like terms. What are the like terms? First equation and second equation. 16x minus 9x plus 23y plus 27y plus 12z minus 14z. So operate the bracket. 16 minus 9, 7x is there, 23 plus 27y, 50y, and the last bracket 12 minus 14z minus 2z is the answer. So in this way we can solve a subtraction also. In the same way we can solve this expression in vertical arrangement also. Okay, look at the next slide. So this question is for you, dear students. Now you have to answer me. Okay, which are unlike terms? Okay, in the first multiple choice question, you will answer like terms. Now this question is for unlike terms. What are? Option number 1, terms with different variable, terms with different indices, or terms with different power. Okay, and the C, both A and B are correct. Okay, give me answer.
Both A and B are correct.
Yes,
Option
both
C.
A and B are correct. Why? Because terms having different variable are unlike terms, and terms having different power also unlike terms. So both A and B are correct options. Very good answer. Look at the next slide. Okay, practice set 34. In this practice set, we have to solve one example and other examples you have to solve. Okay, look at the example number 1 in the next slide. Look at the first example, 4xy minus 9z. Binomial is there. Okay, after semicolon, look at the next algebraic expression, that is 3xy minus 16z. That is also binomial. Binomial minus binomial. Okay. So look at the first step. Okay. First step, after is equal to, remove the bracket. 4xy minus 9z minus 3xy plus 16z. Why there is written plus 16z? Because negative sign, answer is positive. So minus positive 16z. Look at the next slide. In the second step, what we have to do in the second step? In the second step, we have to put together the like terms, 4xy minus 3xy. Okay, plus the next like term, 16z minus 9z. So look at the answer, 4xy minus 3xy. 4 minus 3, how much? 1xy. No need to write 1 is there. Okay, we already know xy is there. How many xy? 1xy plus 7z is the answer. So xy plus 7z is the answer of the first equation. Now we have to move towards the homework section. Okay. Now students, take a screenshot of this. Now you understood what to do, what is like terms, unlike terms in this. Afterwards, we will understand the types of algebraic expression. Afterwards, we learn addition of algebraic expression, and the next step is subtraction of algebraic expression. Okay. Thank you, everybody. If you are having any doubts, please ask me.
Hello, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I can't understand like term and unlike term.
Beta, like terms means what? Like terms means what? In this, variables are same. Variables means what? Variables means alphabets. If alphabets are same and powers are same. Powers means what? In the indices lesson, we already learn what are powers. Powers means what? Index. It means 2 ka square. On the upper side, we have written the squares, cubes. Okay. So these numbers are called indices or powers. If the powers are same, for example, I will give example of like term. Okay. 2a square, 5a square. In these, variables are same, a square. Okay. Indices also same, a square. So this is the like term. Understood, beta? Next, students, any doubt?
सर
Yes.
आप एडिशन का जो आपने लास्ट वाला जो किसी प्रैक्टिस सेट में एडिशन का एग्जांपल था लास्ट का, वो मुझको समझ
Yes.
नहीं.
Okay, we will understood it. Okay. What you not understand, I will explain you again. Okay, look at the how many algebraic equations are there? Two algebraic expression, correct?
Yes.
First is minus 3y plus 10y minus 16 is, this is the first equation. Okay, and the second equation is what? 7y square plus 8. Okay, now we have to add it. What is the first equation? That is trinomial. Okay, and the second one is binomial. We have to add it. What is our first step? Our first step is to remove the bracket. We have written as it is. Okay, only remove the bracket. Okay. Okay, now look at the second step. We have to put together like terms.
Means
Like, what are the like terms? Minus 3y square
plus
1y square. Like terms. Like terms are there. Y square. Like terms. Okay. Then plus 10y. There is no like term to the 10y. So we have written as it is 10y. Plus then another like terms. What is the another like term? That is only numbers are there. Minus 16 plus 8. Now operate this. Solve this. Minus 3 plus 7. How much? Plus 4y square is the answer. Okay. 4y square. Plus the 10y. 10y is written as it is. Why? There is no like term. There is no need to write. There is no add to somewhere. Okay. Write as it is 10y. Plus minus 8 is the answer. Why minus 8 is the answer? Because 16. Minus 16 is there. So my negative plus positive. How much? Negative is the answer. Minus 16 plus 8. Minus 8. Okay. Now the answer is in your front 4y square plus 10y and the plus minus minus 8. Okay.
yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, beta. Thank you, everybody.
Sir.
Yes.